choose and disinfect sensor site. The abdomen is the preferred choice for your sensor site. Please steer clear of the navel, scars, stretch marks, areas with subcutaneous hardening, and the area around the belt. The second choice for your sensor site is the back of your upper arm. Avoid muscles. Be careful not to scratch your sensor when removing or putting on clothes. Wash and dry your hands. Clean the sensor sites with an alcohol wipe and let it completely dry. Now you can install the sensor. Do not use if the label is damaged. Hold the cap firmly and turn the casing anti-clockwise to open it. Place the applicator on the sensor site and firmly press the button at the top. After pressing the button, wait for 3 seconds before removing it to ensure the sensor is secure. Now you can connect the sensor to the BUZUD app. The sensor number can be found either on the casing or the box. Once the sensor is connected, it will take some time for it to warm up. Your health report can be downloaded after 7 days. You can tailor your CGM to your specific needs by customizing your alerts. You can add your insulin details to enable precise insulin adjustments for better diabetes management. You can also upload a photo of your meal, allowing AI to analyze it and provide nutritional information to help you make better dietary choices. You can also add family members who are using the CGM to be updated on their health information anywhere